My name is Armando Vega. I'm with EnviroViews, a landscape company. Started out with me and my dad. It's been 25 years since we've been working as EnviroViews, and the transition from gas to battery, it came about in late 2020. It was a proposition. I spoke with my dad and I said, hey, I'm hearing about this electric equipment being more powerful or as powerful as gas power.
JJ Hubert, branch manager for Gothic Landscape. So we made the switch from gas to battery due to some clients asking for it. Obviously the industry is shifting that way. Being in California, it's going to become a law, or it's already a law and coming down the pipeline. So we wanted to be at the forefront of that. In the past 4 years, the battery situation has improved in a positive manner. We've worked extremely well with STIHL, and they've taken our feedback to develop new products that are more efficient, more reliable, and more ergonomic, and it's really helped us in the field to keep up production as compared to our traditional gas.
I'm Lindsay Atherton, and I'm a senior account manager for Gothic Landscape. It's very important to have great equipment on our crews that gives great production, great strength, and all the benefits that are comparable to the gas equipment. And STIHL provides that for Gothic Landscape.
I'm proud of my guys that have really honed in the idea and embraced it. They feel very proud of the tools that we use. We are high tech, and so you can just see it when they're doing their work. It's almost like they're showing off.
Our equipment is the backbone of our business. We have our trust in this company and are super excited about all the products that are to come down the line that will help us in the near future as we transition into this new electric world.